I just dropped some shocking XRP predictions that honestly made me do a double take. We're talking about a potential 66% rally in the next 24 hours. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now, sweethearts. XRP is sitting pretty at $1.0828, basically flat with just a tiny 0.02% bump in the last day. Now, you know what I've noticed? Sometimes the calmest waters hide the biggest waves underneath. The trading volume is steady at about 47 million XRP, which tells me people are watching and waiting, but not panicking. Let me tell you about the technical picture, because this is where it gets interesting. The RSI is hanging out at 47, which is perfectly neutral territory. Not too hot, not too cold. But here's the thing. The MACD is showing some bearish vibes, sitting below its signal line. XRP is also trading below that key Bollinger Band middle line at $1.09. What does this mean? Well, we're in a little correction phase right now, kind of like taking a breather before the next move. Now, the big picture stuff that's moving markets today. The dollar has been flexing its muscles lately, and here's something crucial you need to know. XRP has a strong negative correlation with the dollar index of almost minus 0.80. So when the dollar gets stronger, XRP typically struggles. It's also moving opposite to the stock market right now, which is actually pretty normal for crypto these days. On the regulatory front, things are quiet, but the ETF flows tell an interesting story. Most XRP ETFs are seeing outflows. We're talking about $1.8 million here, $2 million there. The institutions are taking some money off the table, which is honestly a bit concerning for short-term momentum. The mood right now is, well, let's just say it's not great. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 28, which is getting close to extreme fear territory. People are scared, search interest is low, and nobody's really talking about XRP regulation anymore. Sometimes, though, this is exactly when the best opportunities show up. The big players are doing something interesting. We had over 6,000 transactions yesterday, but here's the kicker. Whale transactions made up almost 100% of the volume. That's 554 whale moves handling over 7 billion XRP. When the whales are this active, something's usually brewing. In plain English, the Elliott Wave analysis says we're in a correction phase right now, which matches what we're seeing. But the Wyckoff method is suggesting we might be in an accumulation phase. You know what that means? The smart money could be quietly building positions while everyone else is feeling nervous. So what does the AI think? Buckle up for this one. The short-term prediction is calling for $1.80 with a 96.2% upward probability. That's a 66% jump from where we are now. The 7-day target is $1.61 with 98.2% bullish probability. But wait. The 30-day prediction drops to $1.53 with only 55.9% confidence. Huh? That's quite a roller coaster the AI is predicting. But here's what could go wrong. Those AI predictions are so optimistic, they're making me a little nervous. A 66% rally in one day? That's pretty wild, even for crypto. Plus, with all those ETF outflows and the fear in the market, we might see more downside before any big moves up. Here's my take on all this data. I'm going with a hold/wait approach right now. Those AI predictions are exciting, but they seem too good to be true. If you want to play this, wait for XRP to dip into that $1.05 to $1.07 range for your entry. Set your stop loss at 95 cents. Because we don't want to get hurt if this goes south. Your first target should be $1.25, and if we get really lucky, $1.45 for your second target. Sometimes the best trade is the one you don't make until the setup is just right. That's it for today's analysis, my dear viewers. The AI is painting some pretty wild pictures, but remember to keep your feet on the ground, even when looking at the stars. If this helped you understand what's happening with XRP, smash that like button and subscribe for more of these breakdowns. See you in the next one.